In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings in Trello. Whether you're looking to switch to a language you're more comfortable with or need to set it for a different audience, this process is straightforward and I'll guide you through each step in just about 5 minutes. First, let's start by heading over to the Trello website. You'll want to open your preferred web browser and enter trello.com in the address bar. Click the enter key and you will be directed to Trello's homepage. If you're not already logged in, look towards the top right corner of the page and click on the login button. Enter your login credentials associated with your Trello or Atlassian account and gain access to your Trello boards. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Trello workspace homepage. Now, navigate to your profile icon, which is usually located at the top right side of the page. Clicking on this icon will present a drop-down menu. From the options available, click on Settings. It's here in the Settings menu where you'll find the tools you need to change language preferences on Trello, so let's move on to that next step. Within the Settings page, there should be an option labeled Change Language. Click on this option and it will take you to the section where you can manage your language preferences. You'll see that you can select from a list of languages available for Trello's user interface. Browse through the languages, find the one that suits your needs and select it. Make sure your preference is saved before moving on to the final step. The language change might also involve going into language and region, so if prompted, click on that to ensure your settings are fully updated. This section is where Trello manages not just language but also regional formats, so double check that everything aligns with your preferences. Once you've saved your changes, navigate back to your Trello boards and you'll find that the language has been updated. To make sure everything is functioning properly, click around a bit, check different sections to confirm that your chosen language is applied to all areas of Trello. And that's it, you've successfully changed the language for your Trello workspace. Remember, you can always switch to a different language anytime by following these same steps. By having your settings in the language that best suits your needs, you can empower yourself and your team to work more efficiently and comfortably. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. See you next time.